Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Hell Let Loose not launching or just keeps crashing on the Epic Games Launcher. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just look for Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. Once you find it, right click on it, hit run as an administrator. Once Epic Games Launcher is open, you can make your way over to library and just look for Hell Let Loose. Once you find it, I'm just going to use a random game as an example because I don't have it installed, but just hit the three horizontal dots, go to manage, and then go to verify files. Now, once you basically verify the files, all that does is just checks if there's any corrupt or missing files, and it will fix that issue. Now, what you can do is you can X out of Epic Games Launcher. You can, refresh, you can start it back up, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you guys can do is, like, let's just say the Epic Games Launcher isn't launching. If you want to, like, restart it, kind of, all you have to do is open up the Task Manager. From the Task Manager, just look for Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, and hit End Task. This will, like, restart Epic Games Launcher, and then you can start it back up, and that also should help fix the issue and start up any game. And yeah, once you guys are done, that is basically it for the video. You can always try stuff like restarting your PC as well. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.